I recently stumbled upon a popular idea floating around on YouTube, claiming you can make about $30 every 10 minutes using Google Translate. Supposedly, this method can net you up to $900 a day by working only 4 hours. They promise it's free to start. All you need is a PayPal account to receive the money, making it accessible worldwide. One video boasting this method has over 4 million views, and another has 2 million, suggesting a lot of people are intrigued. Let's break down this method and see if it actually works. Step-by-step guide to the Google Translate method. First, head over to Google Translate. This platform is entirely free and allows you to translate text between various languages. Simply select your language, type in what you want to translate, and voila, the translation appears in another box. But before we dive into translating, there's another step. You need to go to CPA Grip and create a free account. Register by filling in your basic information like your name and email. Once logged in, go to the payment center to set up how you'll get paid. Options include PayPal and international bank transfers through Payeer with a minimum withdrawal amount of $50. Understanding CPA Grip and offers. On the CPA Grip dashboard, you'll find a public chat where users share their earnings. Some report making $25 in a day, others $50, $60, and one user has amassed over $1,200 in all-time earnings. Here's the deal. CPA Grip provides links to various offers you can promote. Go to Offer Tools and then My Offers to see the current options. Each offer lists its payout value. To maximize earnings, filter offers by the highest payout. While the original video suggests targeting France and Spain, my research showed that Norway has the highest paying offers at around $29. Translating and promoting offers. Now let's bring Google Translate into play. We'll translate offer titles from Norwegian to English to understand what we're promoting. For instance, a Norwegian offer might say, "Secure your checkout. Enter your information now to get started." After understanding the offer, copy the link from CPA Grip and save it. Before promoting it, shorten the link using a free service like Bitly. Create a short URL and prepare to drive traffic to it. Driving traffic to your links? Even without a big following, sites like Traffic AdBar can help. They promise to send up to 1,022 visitors to your link every 3 days, and it's free to sign up. After verifying your email, you can post your shortened link. Copy your Bitly link, add an ad title, and use Google Translate to create an ad in the target language. For example, translate your ad into Norwegian if you're targeting Norway. Adjust the ad text to comply with site rules. No exclamations or all caps, the reality check. The next day, I checked my ad's performance. Unfortunately, the ad was blocked because Bitly flagged the link as potentially harmful. This inconsistency in the offer pages and frequent blocking of direct links cast doubt on the effectiveness of this method. Final thoughts on the Google Translate method. This experiment highlights a crucial point. There are no shortcuts to making money online. While the idea of using Google Translate for affiliate marketing sounds promising, the practical hurdles, like blocked links and irrelevant ad content, make it ineffective. For sustainable success in affiliate marketing, focus on building landing pages to describe the products you promote. Tools like HubSpot offer free, easy-to-use website builders, customizable call to actions, and SEO tips to enhance your content's visibility. Direct links often get flagged as spam, so landing pages can bridge the gap between your audience and the affiliate offers. While this method from YouTube didn't pan out, remember that understanding how affiliate marketing works and leveraging reliable traffic sources like Pinterest, Google, YouTube, and Quora is key. For more on effective traffic sources, check out my video on the 5 best free traffic sources. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated with my latest content.